We are live. We are live now.
Okay.
So refreshing the trend line. So refreshing the trend line. This is GBPJPY. So let's go to a pair like GBUSD. Are you seeing my screen very well?
Yes, I can.
Okay, very good. So this is GBUSD. So this is 4 hours time frame. Okay. So at this
Yes.
point, I'm seeing a trend line from this point to something like this. You see the trend line?
Yes.
You see that I've placed it. You see that I gave you this trend line. Well, this is
Yes.
the first point. I started the first touch. Okay. And they touched all these points
Yes.
and here again. And then they touched here again. And then the trend line
Yes.
broke here. Okay. So even though the trend line is
Yes.
there, but this point is the last higher low of this chart. At this point is the what?
Yes.
Is
Higher
the last
low.
higher low. So what does that mean? It means that even though this market is selling now, even though it's selling now, this is a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, giving you a lower high again. Even though it's doing all of this, okay, it has not fully turned to a
Yes.
what? A
Down
downtrend.
to it.
It has to go below this higher low, the last higher low, to be able to be sure that this is a complete downtrend. Do you
Down
understand?
trend.
This market can decide to come
Yes.
this point, okay, and then continue buying
Yes.
again. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
No, 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 no.
We did this thing yesterday. So that's exactly what we
Yes.
did yesterday. So let's go to a different pair again. Let's go to AUD card. This is AUD card. You are seeing my chart, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is AUD. Let's see if you can see a trend line on AUD card. Okay, let's check this one out here. At this point, you touch here, then you extend. So this one have only two touches. So this trend line, I don't like it very much. I delete it. Okay.
Okay.
So let's check the trend line here. I put it here, and extend to the future. So that this trend line have how many touches? It has about 3 touches.
Three touches. Yes.
Not even more than it has more than 3 touches. It touched here one. It's not always perfect like you look at you as I want it to be. This is two, this is three, and this place is four. This point is four. This point is four. You see it? So you can see that at this point, the
Yes.
trend line did not just kiss the chart did not just kiss the trend line to continue buying. It played around the trend line. So a trend line is not just a line like this. It's not just a line like this, even though it's called a trend line. But I want you to see it as a trend area, as a trend what? A trend area.
Very-
In as much as this is a trend line, then in your mind you should have it to be something like this. Okay, so a chart can still be doing something like this on the trend line, touch it, go up, touch it again, go up again, and you want it to touch it very perfect like this. But then it
Yes.
will decide to come down to this point, to this area, before you keep on buying again. So it is still valid because why? Even if
Um,
you put, even if this is a higher low, so this is the higher low. So even if you put a higher low, you
hmm.
drag out the higher low, you see that this low, this one did not even come close to it. So the trend is still uptrend and the trend line is still valid because it's a trend area, it's an area, it's an area, like it's
Yeah.
an area, and is a trend area. Please, do you understand?
Okay. Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any questions so far, please?
Yeah. I want to know, is this a one day candle or a weekly candle that you started measuring it from? Because
Right now,
it's somehow confusing because Starting from
You can
here,
put a
we'll
trend
split this
line
from
on
here.
any time frame. You can put a trend line on weekly time frame, daily time frame. You have to start
Okay.
doing when you want to. I just today I taught you something called top-down analysis.
Yeah.
Top-down analysis.
Yes. On the trend
So
line.
what the hell is going on? Top-down what? Top-down
Analysis, which are weekly, daily,
analysis.
4 hours, 2 hours.
So your trend line can be you can put trend line on any time frame. Just know what you are doing. Simple. Because not trend line is not only for any specific time frame. Trend line is for any time frame. Please, do you understand what I said?
Yes. Yes.
Any more question?
No, no, no.
Any more question, please?
Okay, can I
Any
come
question,
back to
please?
the
Hello.
last one you showed me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, the last word. Please come speak close to your computer. Let me hear you very well. The last word.
The last one that you showed me, the last one you showed me then, you drew the two lines, trend lines under. The first line, the thing didn't it broke the first line and then touched the second line that you drew. You get it?
I
So
told you very simple. I don't know if you're hearing what I'm saying. I said to you that
yeah,
trend line is not just this is the trend line. Trend line is
yes,
please understand the English now. Okay, trend line. The name is trend line. Okay, and this is it. It cannot that if this is for this is then a trend line can draw for an uptrend. Then here is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. A high, a low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher what?
low,
A higher low. So this is your uptrend. Uptrend follows this uptrend now that I just placed now. You can see that it is a trend line that is going up. Why? Because it's
yes,
going up because this is a what? An uptrend. Now,
an
and
uptrend.
a trend line can also you can also put a trend line for a downtrend. Okay, so this is a high.
Mm,
This is a
low,
no. Okay,
a low,
okay. This is a here is a low. Here is a high.
lower high, mm,
Here is a lower high.
yes,
Here is a lower low.
lower low,
Here is a lower
lower
high.
high,
Here is a lower
lower
low.
low, yes,
Here is a lower high.
lower high,
So
yes,
you can also put a trend line here from this point, first, second one, and extend to the future. Okay,
okay,
make it perfect.
yes, yes,
Make it what? Perfect.
perfect,
Have you seen it?
yes,
So this is a what? An uptrend. This one here is an uptrend. This one is an uptrend. An uptrending market. Okay.
yes, sir.
An uptrending what? Market.
Market,
Which can also be called a bullish what?
market,
A
bullish
bullish
market,
market. Also be called a buying what?
market,
Market. And is called this one now is called a bearish
market,
market. Or no, it can
yes,
also be,
selling
first of
market,
all, it can also be called a downtrending market. A downtrending what?
market,
Market or a bearish market or
selling market.
a selling market. So do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So now I placed a double. So a trend line is this. But sometimes it is not just a line that the market just come and kiss it so perfect like this. Okay, market moves dynamically like a wave, like air. It can. The trend line is not just a line, like a line. This is simple English. It's not a German language. It's not just a line.
Mm.
This is a line. It's not just a line. Trend line. Trend line. What is a trend line? Trend line. This is a trend. A market that is
Yes.
going up is trending to the upside. A market that is going
Yes.
down is trending to the downside. Do you understand?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good. So a market that is going up is trending to the what? A
Trading
market
up.
that is going up is trending to the what? To the upside. And the
Upside.
market that is going down is trending to the what? To the downside. That
Downside.
is why it's called
Yes.
uptrend and a downtrend.
Yes.
Do you understand the
Downtrend.
English?
Yes, sir.
So now, when you hear the word trend line is the line that follows the trend. The line that follows what? A trend.
The trend.
These are two different words joined together. The line that follows the
Yes.
trend. Do you understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
So the line that follows the what? A
The trend.
trend. So there are two different words. The line that follows the trend. That is what they call trend line. Okay. So when a market is trending, if it's trending to the upside, if you can fix a line because it's going to the upside, if the line can fix. Please, do you understand the English?
Yes, sir.
A trend is a trending market. Now there are two types of market movement in forex market. One is one is one is an uptrending market. One is an uptrending market. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, is a what? A downtrending market.
Downtrending market.
Okay. And the third is what? A consolidating market.
Okay.
From what?
Consolidating market.
Good. So these are the three types of movement we have at the forex market. So when you open your chart, like this now, the chart, when you open, this is a chart. Okay, this is a chart.
Yes.
Okay, is either the market is moving up, or is moving down, or it is consolidating. This one now called consolidating is also called a ranging market. A ranging what?
Market.
A ranging market. So I will show you now. A ranging market. So when you come to a chart, it's either the market is going up, or is going down, or it is ranging. So let me show you a quick example. Please confirm that you are hearing my voice very, very well.
Yes, I can. I can. I hear
Very
you.
good. So pay attention now. Listen, please. From this point, and this point to this point, is the market going up or is it going down?
Sorry, from where to where?
Are you not looking at the screen? Can you see my screen?
I can see that now. Yes.
Hold on, let me show you
From here.
again.
Okay.
From this point, from this point up to this point, is the market from here to here? Is it an uptrending or downtrending market? Is it going up or down?
It's going down
It's going down. Why do you say it's going down?
because it's a downtrend.
Because it's downtrend, and looking at it, the market is heading to the downside. Is it not?
Yes. It is.
Is it not?
It is.
It is heading down to the what? To the downside. From this
Downside.
point, I will show you again. From this point, from this point, you are seeing my blue lines, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing my blue lines to this point?
Yes.
To this point, the market is doing what? Between from
It's
here,
going.
from here to here.
Yes.
What is the market doing?
It's going down.
This
Still going
chart,
down.
This chart is going down because it's looking like this. It's pointing to the downside. Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes, sir.
It's pointing what?
Downside.
To the downside. And for me to quickly show you, here is a let me show you what you've been learning so far. You have to look at you. You are seeing my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing my screen very well?
Yes, sir.
Here is a high. Here is a what? A low. Here is a lower
Low.
high. Here is a what? A lower low.
Lower low.
Do you see it? And here is a lower
Yes, sir.
high. And here is a what?
Lower low.
And here is a what? A lower high again. And here is a what?
A lower low.
And here is a what? A lower high.
Lower
And here
high.
is a what? A lower low. Here is a
Lower
lower
low.
high. And here is a lower low. A lower
Lower
high.
low.
A lower low. A lower high.
Lower low.
And then a lower low.
Lower low.
Is that not a downtrend, my brother?
It is a downtrend. It is a downtrend.
The things I have been showing you that I was drawing out. I was drawing out for you before. I was drawing out for you before. Is that not what you just experienced now on this drawing now
It
on
is.
this real market? Is it not the same thing?
It is, sir.
It is,
It
right?
is. Yes, sir.
This was what I was drawing for you before on the experiment. This same thing I was drawing for you before. That's exactly what I just drew out for you on the real market. Is that not the same thing?
It is.
But when you look at it, you see that the one I draw looks some kind of perfect and clean. But market behavior
Yes.
does not give you a perfect and clean market structure. Market plays around as he likes. But even at that, the market will still maintain the market structure. You only have to understand how to read and interpret the market structure to be able to identify it at any point in time. Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this thing we've been drawing since this one now is the down. What is this thing that I drew out now? Is it this one now? This one now that I just drew out. Is it a downtrend or an uptrend? This one
Is a downtrend. Is a
is a
downtrend.
downtrend. Is it not the same thing now? Like the chart we just drew out, we just interpreted. Is it not?
It is. It is.
So is there what? A downtrend.
The downtrend.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. See a simple
Yes, sir.
example here. From this point, hold on, please. A question for you now.
Okay.
From this point up to this point,
Sorry.
from this point between this green this blue lines,
Blue
is it
line.
a downtrend
Okay.
or an uptrend, please?
Is an uptrend.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir. I can.
Hello. So between these
Wait.
the two blue lines, is it a downtrend or an uptrend?
Is an
From this
uptrend.
point to this point,
Okay.
is a what?
From
An
here to
uptrend.
is an uptrend.
Why do you say it's an
It's an
uptrend?
uptrend. Because the market is going up. It
Why
went
do you say it's an
up.
uptrend? It is
The
going
market
up
went up.
simply
Yes.
because it's making higher highs and higher lows. It's making higher
Yes.
highs and higher. Here is the high.
And
Here is the low. Okay. Here is the high. You can let's use here as a high. Here is in fact here is the high. Here is the low. Okay. And here
Yes.
is a higher high. And here is a higher
Higher.
low. And here is a higher
Higher low.
high. And here is a higher low.
Yes.
But the market did not come to give you another higher high again.
Yes.
Rather, this
It
was
went
the
down.
level of the last higher low.
The last
point.
higher low.
Okay, the market.
Yes, sir.
This was the level. Okay.
Yes, sir. Good morning,
Okay.
Mr. Prince.
This was
Good
the
morning. Yes,
level.
sir.
This was the level of the last higher low. Okay, and if you can see, because the market was. I'll come again, please. This is the level. Here is the level here. From this point to this point, this is the level of the last higher low. This chart. Let me mark it out. So here is a low, and here is a what? A high.
Is a
Okay,
high.
and here is a higher low
Higher
because
low.
this low now is higher than this first one. Okay, and here is a higher high, and here is a higher low, and then here is a higher high, and then here
Higher
is a
high.
higher low. Okay,
Higher low.
this market
And there
now,
is no
after
other
giving
higher
you this
high.
higher low, was supposed to come up and give you a
Mm.
higher high, but the market did not give
Yes.
you any higher high again. And remember,
Yes.
this point here, this point here, this point here is the last higher low it gave you. So let us take out that level and extend
Yes.
it to the full shot like this. So you see that the market came and broke it in a very angry mood.
Yes.
It broke it. If you
Yes.
zoom it, let's zoom it, let's zoom it. This is it. This is it right here. The market come and broke it
Yes, sir.
in a very angry mood. You see it? It broke it.
Yes, sir.
The market came and broke it. It broke that thing. It broke that. It broke it down. Like came to this down, and then came up again like it was buying, but it had already broken it already. It don't break, and that break they are closed with a red candle. Okay,
Yes.
and
Yes,
then
sir.
it came down again, giving you this candle pattern, this sharp pattern here, an evening star. Even at that, it still came and closed below it again. My brother, if I'm on this chart, I'm selling because it has already broken. It has already broken.
Mm.
Market showed you that he said, "Hey, I have turned to a downtrend, though. I have changed, though. I have turned to a downtrend, though." Okay, yes. If you're a new trader, you can say, okay, since the market has broken, and giving you has broken the last
Mm.
higher low.
Mm.
Okay, yes, you will now be
Yes.
waiting to get your what? To get your lower high.
Lower
Okay,
high.
get the lower low before you can sell. Good. It is all the same thing. It is all the same thing. Even if you don't take this trade, fine. But just understand what I'm teaching you. Please, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Please, do you have any question?
No, sir. But the market was a bit trickish over there. It was a bit trickish because somebody
Tricky
could
everywhere.
be expecting it. It was trickish when it got to that side because somebody must have been waiting for it to go up, or somebody that didn't understand might even enter believing that the market will go up, not knowing that it will start going down. It has already turned to a downtrend
It is not tricky. Let me tell you something.
over here.
You must allow the market to act. Then to act. Then you react.
Okay.
Then you what? You react.
Yeah.
Allow the market to act. Okay. Then you
Okay.
what? You react. So the
Yeah.
reason why you say it's trickish, if you say it's trickish, let me now clear your trickishness here now. I get my point.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the point. This is the point where we are expecting the market to buy. Okay. And remember,
Yes,
we
sir.
are doing what? We are doing what is called the top-down analysis. And right now we are still on the 4 hours time frame. We have not even gone to
Yes, sir.
the 1 hour time frame. So the market has this is the lower low. This area now is the lower low of this market. The higher low. The higher low. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. And you are expecting to take your buy here. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now, because that this area is the area you are supposed to take your buy, my brother, even if you are buying at this area, you will make money. Let me show you why and how. Let me show you why. That's why top-down analysis is important for you. That's why top-down analysis is what important for you. This is that area.
Important.
Okay. This is that what? That area. Now let's go down to the 2 hours now because we are far. Let's go to the 2 hours. It's loading. Please wait. It's loading. Network.
Double cast.
Okay, you see that point that I drew out. You see it, right? Do you see that point that I drew out? You see it, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you. I can hear you. Yes.
Well, this is that point this is the point that the market is on. You know this line here. You know this line, right? This line. You know this line. This line. You know it, right?
The one you drew.
What line is
Yes.
this? What line was it? Is a trending what?
Line.
It's not a trending line. Oh my God!
Sorry.
You don't know what line is that? Is that line? What line was that on this class?
What line, sir?
This line here. Hold on. This line here. This line. This line.
Oh, trend line, man.
It's not a trend line. Look at where the line started from. At this point, what line is this?
Okay, the last lower low, lower high, yeah.
Here about the level of the last higher low, the level of the last higher low, the level of the last higher low, the level of what? The last higher low, and let me zoom the chart again. You see that this market came here. Okay, the market came here and touched that level. Market came and do you see it gave you a weak rejection here. It touched it and gave you a weak what? Rejection. I don't know if you see it.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing that weak rejection?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after I gave you this weak data, it touched that. This is the line. Here is the line. This is that line. Market came and touched it and gave you a weak rejection. And also bought. This market he bought, but he did not buy to go and give you a higher high. You ask that question. Now let's measure how many pips after this market touched this level. Let's measure how many pips. It gave you. Let's say you after seeing this thing now and you bought from this level because you see that it's an area for buy. You bought from here. Let us take it up. The market gave you 30 pips from this level. Assuming you still hold that market, you did not close. Okay? Because the market is not something like an end and close. Assuming you did not close. Okay? You didn't do what? Close. You hold it to the next day. The market ended up giving you up to 56 pips. Up to what? 56 pips. Let me show you again. And then you bought from this candle and you held it to the next day and to this point. Let's say you just wanted 50 pips. The market still bought and gave you 50 pips. You gave 50 pips. Assuming you are buying with, assuming you took that market, you bought with, assuming you bought with 0.0 You bought with 0.5. Okay, you bought with 0.5. 0.5 will be giving you $1 per pip, $5 per pip. So $5 times 50 times 50 pips times 50 pips is how much, please? I don't know, you entered with just one position, 0.5, and you hold the market for today to the next day. So $5 times 50 pips, you make only $250, and that is a clean business. You bought with 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 lots, which is $5, which is $5, which is $5, which is $5 per pip. Okay, you make, which is $5, you make $250 on that trade. On this buy before this sale even happened. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
I didn't assuming somebody that bought with one standard lot. Okay, we'll be making $500 on this trade. I seen it.
Yes, sir.
Somebody that entered with 5 standard lot only. Only. So it's $50 times $50. 50 times 50. The person will be making $2,500 on this same trade. So if you enter with 10 standard lots, you're making how much? $5,000 on this same trade. Please, are you seeing that?
Yes, sir.
So going back to the question you were asking me before. Going back to the question you were asking me before. Going back to the question you are asking me before. So this is where we are. So back to what I was teaching you before. I said in a market, we have either an uptrending market, a downtrending market, or a consolidating or a ranging market. So a trend line is not just a line. It's not just a line. Example, like this now is not just a line. It's an area. We also call it a trend area. A trend area. Trend area. A trend what area? Why? Let me show you an example now. Okay, as it is now here, like for example, this one right here now. Okay, it's a trend line, but market can decide to even come down below like this, pass the trend line, and still do the buy and still buy like this. Example is this one right here. This one right here. You see, the market did not right here at this point here, this one right now, at this point here now. Hold on. At this point here now. At this point here now. At this point now. The market just touched the trend line very nicely and was buying. You see it?
Yes, sir.
But at this point, did the market touch the trend line very nicely and was buying? Did it touch it very nicely and was buying?
He touched it. Yes, sir.
The touch is not the same thing, man. I don't know. It's not the This touch was very nice and clean. This one.
But this one is not that.
But this one, the market even come down below it. Even down below it. And was still buying. Are you not seeing this thing?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it's a trend area. Why? The market can still, because it's like an area. Can put it this way. It's like use your eye to see it. The trend line, even the market can still come down even this way and still be buying. But please pay attention now to market structure. This is the low. This is the level of the last higher low. So until the market come down below, then you know something has happened. But as long as this market is a little around this area, even though it did not touch the trend line so nice like this as you want it to be, no problem. But even though it's come down this way, it is still an uptrend. No, despite the trend line. You got in here or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Udo, do you understand it too?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you understand it?
Gradually, we capture it.
Gradually, here's something so gradually. Okay.
No, it's a gradual process for me.
For you, Sonny has already understood this thing very well. You are making it hard.
He has been there before me. So, yes.
You are making it hard. Sonny already knows these things. He knows these things very, very well now. Sonny understands this thing very, very well. It's not hard. Okay. So this morning now, I have taught you an uptrending market, a bullish market, is also called a buying market. I taught you a downtrending market, also called the bearish market, also called the selling market. I also taught you that we have the market only moves in three patterns. Number one, it moves in either an uptrending market, or it's a downtrending market, or it's a ranging market, also called consolidating market.
Yes.
Anytime you open the chart, your first thing to look is this market, is it buying or selling, or is it ranging? Once you answer that question very well, then you do your analysis on that market. You start from weekly, daily, 2 hours, 1 hour. If the market is an uptrending market, my brother, you should only be looking for a chance to buy. Nothing concerns you with selling. I can't tell you 100 times. You should only be looking for a chance to buy. If the market is a downtrending market, you should only be looking for opportunity to sell. If it's a ranging market, don't trade.
Don't trend. Yes.
If it's a what?
A
ranging market, don't trade.
A ranging market. Yeah. Because we have not known the pattern the place is actually heading to.
Exactly. So don't trade. Okay?
Okay.
Don't do what? Don't trade.
Okay.
So I've taught you these things already this morning, and I'm glad you are starting to understand it.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is just it. You have to know that. Look at this market. I did this market analysis since yesterday. Let me show you this market. Since yesterday, I did this analysis. This market now you are seeing here. Tony, David, this market you are seeing here, is it an uptrend or downtrend market? I'm on the 5 hour time frame. This market now, GBJPY, is it an uptrend or downtrend market?
It's an uptrend market.
Is it what?
It's an uptrend market. That is an uptrend market.
It's an uptrending market. And in this market now, I should only be doing what? Looking for opportunity to buy. Only buy. Nothing concerning me with sale.
Yes.
And you see that I'm buying?
Yes, sir.
Sonny, are you there?
Yes, sir.
This market now, GBJPY, is it uptrend or downtrend?
It is an uptrend.
Sonny is very quiet. He's not saying anything.
No. As I go in I got a make cause of the.
So the market is simply a what? An uptrending market. And in this uptrending market, you should only be looking for opportunity to what? To buy, my brother. There is nothing else you can do if not to buy. To buy. And let me shock you, in this market you are seeing, I entered the market since yesterday, and I have not closed it. Since what? Yesterday, around the 1 in the afternoon, market before I'm getting naga. And I can, okay, I'm still holding the market since yesterday, and I will hold it maybe till tomorrow or to Friday. Please do you hear what I'm saying? If you want the evidence, I will show you. See the evidence here. See the evidence here on my phone. This is the market. The profit I'm making like around $707 something dollar and something dollar.
Wow.
Are you seeing? Is load is reading? The camera is hold on. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir. 700 something dollars. Yes.
Okay, see it now. Is very network. It's very clear now. Do you see it?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Do you see is a live is moving? Is a live profit? This is moving.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 730 something. Yes.
797
Yes.
797.41 USD.
41 USD.
It has now entered $800 now.
800
It's now 821, 811 now.
Is fluctuating.
It's now 777 something now. It's fluctuating.
Yeah. Yes.
Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Since yesterday, I entered this. The reason why I'm telling you this thing, so that when you are taking a trade, you calm down. You don't rush it.
Yes, sir.
You see it? What pair is this? What pair are you seeing on this my phone? What pair is it?
Can I see clearly?
What pair are you seeing? What pair am I on? What pair is that?
GBP. GBP.
Versus, Japanese.
GBP.
Yes.
Do you see that I'm making money on that trade? Is it non profit?
It's on profit.
Is it not since yesterday? Right now, the profit now is now up again. I'm making $934 now.
34.
Yes. It will soon get $1,000. It's now 1,000 now. See now. It's now 1,000 now. Yes, 1,000 something now. Right where we are on chart. My brother, the work I am doing, where I'm making $1,000 in 2 days. So why should I not be contented? Why should I be in a hurry?
Nothing, no reason.
Even if I'm making $200 in this market in 2 days, I'm $200 or around the 208,000 naira in naira in 2 days.
More than that, 400 and something.
We are able to make it peacefully, and I'm risking this trade now. I'm risking this trade now. I'm risking $1,000 per trade. So I'm targeting $2,000 or more. I can even decide, if I want to now, I can start to close the trade now. No problem. Nothing will. No one getting me here.
Of course.
And I'll keep the money. The profit now is now 1,100.
100. Yes.
$1,134.
$34. Yes.
Is 1134.99. 1134.99 now. So you have seen that, right? So it is as simple as that. And here is the trade. Here, this is the trade. This is that trade. And I'm now on one. Let me go to 15 minutes time frame, please. Okay, let's go to this time frame. Please, do you see the market moving?
No,
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing my chart?
No.
Hold on. Are you seeing my chart?
Yes, sir, we can.
So do you see there's a cycle level right here, a cycle level of 218.50? Do you see it? You see it?
No.
Hello?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Do you see a cycle level of 218.500? Do you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. I
218.
want this price. You see that the price is moving. My profit now is not like $1,000. You see that the candle now is coming down. My profit right now is not like, it is still playing around, but it is okay. It is okay. It is okay. I want this price now. I want this price now to move and come and close above this cycle level. Okay, then maybe to test it or to keep on buying. And after this cycle level of 218.500, the next cycle level, my brother, will be 219. That is next cycle level there. So if this market close above this first cycle level, I'll be looking to close to exit this market, to exit it around this cycle level. So at this point now, trust me, since my profit from here, from around this area is making me around $1,000 now. My brother, before it gets here, I'm making around either $3,000 or $4,000. Do you understand that thing?
Yes, sir.
So do you know why I'm telling? Do you understand what it means that if you're taking a trade, it's not a gambling. You take time and calm down. You look for a very good trade. You will make sure that trade is good. That this trade it will do what you want, and then it's going to buy. You'll be sure. You'll be sure. You look at it and say, okay, this trade looks okay. I can take it. And then you say, okay, how much do I want to risk? And how much do I want to make? If it is $100 or $50 I want to risk to make $100 or $150, oh my brother, go to baby pips, calculate your this thing, take your loss size, enter that market and leave it. That market can decide to play out that day or to the next day. It's fine. And now I taught Sonny what is called trade management. What did I say? Trade what? Management. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? Even though I'm making around $1,000 now, okay, good. And here is my stop loss. This point now is my stop loss. This point is my stop loss. Let me show you. This point right here. This point right here. This is my stop loss here. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here is my what? And here is my take profit.
Take profit.
Hold on. And here, this point right up here is my what? Take profit. You see it?
Yes, sir.
This blue arrow is my stop loss. And here is my what? My take profit. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And here is my entry point. This is the point where I enter the market. Here. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Do you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my stop loss number, once this market now, if this market now close above this cycle level here, close around above the cycle level here, what will I do? My brother, before God and man, I will move my stop loss from here and put it around here to my entry. I'll put myself to my entry. When I do this thing, what does it mean? It is not financial knowledge. It means I'm no more risking.
You're not risking anything. You're not risking anything.
I'm now in a risk-free business. I'm risking nothing. I have no risk again. David, do you understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what we just analyze now?
Yes, sir.
I am no more risking anything. And if the market still moves further to up here, my brother, I will move my stop loss again to around this point, which means I have secured the profit from here to here already. It's already secured and locked with me. Secure. I can't lose it again. If the market
Yes.
still moves up to around here, my brother, I will still move my stop loss
Stop
to
loss.
around here, which means I'm
Yes.
making profit now. From my
Yes.
profit now is secured from this point up to this point. And if the market
Perfect.
is already around where I will close, I will just close it, bam, and take all the money and go.
Wow.
Do
So it's
you
more of
understand this thing?
mon- yes, sir. So it's more of you
That is what
monitoring,
we call. That's
monitoring
what
it.
we call. That's what we call trade management.
Okay.
Trade what? Management.
Management.
In the university, there is a course called business management. It's the same thing I'm telling you here. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the reason why we do this is that so that a trade that has gone from this point, that has gone from your entry and moved to your profit, and keep on going up, profit. That same trade, something can happen or news can happen. The trade will just come back with fastness and then and go to your loss. That's why as you're making the profit, you'll be securing small. So that
Securing
even
it.
though something happens and it tries to come down, you will not go home empty-handed. You will still
Empty
go home
hand.
with happiness.
Yes.
It
So
does
that
not mean it
is more
happens all the time. We just do it in case of incasity.
in case.
Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir. So in this case, you should be monitoring it.
In this case, if you are in a trade, at least every 1 hour, 30 minutes, you check what has the trade done.
Okay.
Not every second. You
Yeah.
can't just put
Yeah.
your eye on your phone every 2 minutes.
Of course. Of course.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So I believe I have taught you trend line. Sonny, please, did you also learn about this trend line? Do you understand it, or do you have any question?
No, no, I understand it.
You know what a trend line is, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you're going to learn, man. Sonny, please, you that have already understand something much. I expect you, make expect la. Or market laugh, analyze. Ihe ọ na-agosi gị ịghọta ya. You can send me a message, sị m biko gbatagodị online ka ị mere m analyze social market a ka mma ma ihe m na-afụ m na-aghọta ọkwa the same thing ị na-afụ. You try to check what you are seeing or ihe mwa ga-afụ in that market.
Okay, sir.
I don't know if you get what I said.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ọ nwere market ị na-afụ na ị na-afụ buy, you want to buy, mana dị hot shop. You can call, you can send me saying, Biko, help me join the go do. Can I analyze this pair to give this pair analyze? Can I here mafu here for the same thing.
Okay, sir.
Here are important. It was given the thing. So that the primary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you will be understanding. Here 1, 2, it will help.
Yes,
So,
sir.
we have done this one. So now we have done trend line. So there's something called a high and low of the week. High and what? Low of the week. High and low of the week. Sonny, before we continue, I want to get an account. I will buy the account and I will give you. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
It's a company account. I want to buy the account and give you. So the reason why I will do that is just to give you assistance on that because the account will come with control measures. Control measures mean that the account will control. Okay, Maggie, a man put trade as you like. Because I'm a beginner. We always enter a market, bam, it's up walla, always we got very sad. I'm not happy. If you lose money, or is your fault, but not the market's fault. So I will buy the account. I'm thinking of getting the one of maybe, you have to choose between $10,000 and $25,000 account. Which one would you prefer? that you know you can trade?
25,000.
Okay, good. I'll send you the account. So, but the what you have to do, the account is not. I'll tell you again. The account to come with what is called what control measures. Control what?
Major.
Control measures. So, if you have your phone with you, write it down. Hello.
Yes, sir.
How you see? Good morning, sir.
So the account
Sorry,
that I will get and send to you. I will send to you. Number one, you cannot lose. If we let the allow for the allow, you let the allow.
Yes.
Can I record it?
Uh,
Here it's important to you. Don't play with don't play with this thing, no. That work. Hello.
I'm an level.
So the account now, if I get you a $25,000 account, eh? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you pass the account is like an exam for you. If you pass the account, the account, any money you make on the account, the company will take 20%. You will keep 80%. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The company will take how much?
20%.
And you will keep 80%. Very good. So let the but then if I give you the account, you are only permitted to lose 10% of the account overall. Overall account, you cannot lose more than 10% on that account. You can go very well.
So that means when I want to enter trade, you need risk about 10% of the money.
No. Can I take you step by step? I got you very well. Don't rush it. Like here now, first of all, the account and the company have a procedure and law. In here, money, this is real money, not fake. Because they go more than here. If I give you the account, only way go to make you look ọ bụghị onye gị $200,000 were dị ego na-eme bonza. So ọ sị gị ngwa lee ego a jide were ya mee biznes. Ọ bụ nye gị 2 billion zụọ ngwa ahịa were ego ije were ego ego na ọkọ sị na ọnwụ sịala. Ị ga-eji azụ azụmahịa bara uru nweta ego anyị kenye ego. Ọ bụ dị ya.
Oh, yeah.
Hello? Good.
Yes, I'm not
So again, now you are only permitted to lose 10% overall. One. Number two, you cannot lose more than 5% in a day. So in you can lose how much in a day?
5%
in a day. But your target in that account is just make 10% profit on that account. How do you got here? You come in here now.
10% of
what do you see again?
Making 10% in that account, or is it every day? Or
No. You are only to make 10%. Also, you make it in a year, almost anybody. It's you make it in a month, almost so you make it in 5 months, almost in a day, almost just make 10%. Once you make 10%, you have completed your mission.
I'm not 10% like that account.
You press it to calculator now. Let me show you now. Just open your phone calculator. You type what 25,000. Just type 25,000 times 0.1. 0.1 is 10% in the calculator. So which is 2,500 is 10%. on 25,000.
Okay, $2,500. Okay.
About $10,000. About $10,000 can you $1,000 is 10% of $10,000. $15,000. 1,005 is 10% of $15,000. $20,000. 2,000 is 10% of it. $25,000. 2,005 10%. So how much is 10% of $30,000? Small example.
On 3,000.
Thank you.
Is it
Yeah,
30,000?
I want to
30,000.
confirm. It's the very sharp guy.
Mm.
Very good. 3,000. So, 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 if I send you the account, a TL phone, I'll buy it and give you. You cannot lose your profit. Your target is to make 2,005 account. Ọ bụghị ime ka anyị na-ede o ghara ime ije nga ahụ na-eme gambụl ịbanye ịmapụta ele akwụgharị di ya mgbe sọrọ gị mana preferred mụọ n'ebe a now can make that amount na akaụntụ ahụ within a day, 2 days or even a week. I can do it on my own. Mana na ahịa na form enweghị m chance enough. I'm happy within 2-3 weeks. So mana ka esi eme ya bụ within a month to just make sure you achieve it, or 2 months just achieve it. So now your target is to make 10% in the account. You got rank very, very well, Abi.
Yes.
Good. Now again, you cannot lose more than 5% in a day. Can you hear me?
So that 5% lose the bargain.
1,205.
Yeah, 1,750.
1,750 for 25,000.
Or 30,000 or 25,000.
25,000 25,000.
Yeah,
It should be 1,225. 250. 1,250.
1,250. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. 1,250. Thank you. 1,250. 1,000 what?
250.
You might lose you in a day. Atom killer didn't have our can we get what in him? Very important thing what I have very, very well.
Okay.
You get my point now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So then, even at that, so you cannot lose 5% in a day, and again, you can't lose 10% overall. You can't. Come on down, what in here? Why do you John? Come, I'm going to get to whatever very well.
So I lose 10% overall.
The company will cancel the account because he let him off. He let him make he lose. He let him off. Because he let him make he go be lose. They lose. Kale he go over happy. Once he lose, will carry the plan anyway. The computer will shut down. They will off the account instantly. Say. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So let me shock you now. So many traders around the world are even trading. They are even trading an account of $100,000, 200, and they are making money on their accounts and sharing money with the company every day. The company pays up to $10 million in a month to traders. Do you even know here? Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm not.
Hello?
Hello, we can hear you, sir.
Hello. The company,
We can hear
the
you, sir.
different company can not only one company they says. So each of the company they catch the money they send to traders 80% here in a month have a post here as record all our character more than $10 million some months. So the person about out of 10 million go good taking guy. So in our food the reason why I can't do now do control how you trade now. Na ọ bụzi ya ike emesentara gị na mgbe sọrọ gị megị ịmakpụrụ the market. Hello?
Okay, ọ nwere ihe m chọrọ ịjụ.
Just ask me.
So onye ahụ everyday onye ahụ mere business make ego. Or that day ka a ga-ewere ka a ga-eke the percentage.
No, your this one. Hello? The company will give you an account. Look at everything. If they give you an account, the account is not free, but I will pay for it. I will pay for the account and send to you. Now, in case company ga-enye gị ihe a na-akpọ policy. Like how they can exam. Take this account. Since you are a trader, you have learned trading. You think you know you can trade now. Account. Exam I na-enye gị ebubigo make good ego ole hụ na make 10% la account. You make ya anyị ga-afụ ya. Anyị fụzie azi. Then when you now afụzie azi man pass to get exam gị. Then any trade you take it again. If you make even $20 here, $1 or $1,000, $10 million, I get to see Diego, you were 8 or 10. What are this thing?
Okay.
So the exam is just for the company to know that yes, you can trade. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I like where money pass the account. You should account to $200,000 or the puya. Malobo, can you pass the account to pass 13%? He make his year go on them to God. You your own.
Okay, no problem.
Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, sir.
Kawaram the rules of the account now. Kawaram the rules of the account. Go do my
Before you pass the exam, you can make 10% of the account. And every day you will not lose more than 5% of the account. Every day.
More than what?
5%.
More than what every day?
5%.
Network is cracking. I can't hear you very well. It's not more than getting
5%. 5.
Hello?
5.
Okay. Okay, that's number 2. Okay, number 2.
So,
number 3.
You will not lose below 10% like that account, unless the company will take the account from you.
More than 10%.
Very good. So now, how do we do it? How do traders do it? Since the company only to not lose more than 5% in a day. In a day now, because we are taking trade in a day now. So once you are not lose more than 5% in a day, look at how traders. The reason why how trade you have to I'm on a trade, I'm on a candle red, let's sell, buy. You have to look for KD nice, okay? chọọ mango chara acha ya aghọ ọ bụ nke ọ were fụrụ ka ọ chara ịmakpụrụ ozugbo ya achọta ya edita. So now because line like not to lose more than 5% in a day. One legal account it got to baby peeps. It got to baby what? Baby peeps. Ever hala baby peeps. Baby peeps. Ever hala calculate a lot size. Every trade they take you only risk 1%. So that it will take you to lose complete 5 times to be able to reach that loss limit for that day, which is not possible. You can't lose 5 times in a day.
Yes, sir. I got a million cover now. Like that 5% yeah, I married the other day now. So you
usually take a trade. You should be risking 1%, 1%.
That 5% maybe as an example 0.1 or 0.5. Guy measure 0.01. Okay, you can see 1% kill risk is it.
Let me show you on the chart. Hold on, let me show you on the chart. On the computer. Hold on. Let's work. Hold on. Are you seeing my computer?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the account to Gabo $25,000. Pay for you.
Yeah.
So,
Pay for you.
Yes.
25 what? Account balance is $25,000. Pay for you.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Hello?
Then
your risk percentage, since you don't lose 5% in a day, which means you have 5% in a day not to lose. Malabia, you cannot put 5%. Just okay, my risk is here 1%, which means you have to risk 1% to reach your loss limit. So you put 1% here. Your stop loss, okay, you must hear your trade analysis. Trade analysis. On this trade now, you can see that I'm risking my stop loss is 30 pips. If 30 pips ever, if 30 pips ever, my stop loss is 30 pips. While my take profit is 93.7, which is the risk reward ratio is 3.0, which means I'm risking 1 to get 3. I'm risking 30 pips to make 90 pips. Okay for you?
Yes, sir.
So you come to baby pips. Your stop loss, my example there, my own there is 30 pips. Can pair being here in the trade now? This pair is GBP JPY. You come there, you search GBP JPY. You search for it. Wait for it. Counter Saturday, or price USD JPY. I go to the chart and got show price USD JPY in here. Price here about 163.381. 163.381. 163.378. That here 163.378. Calculate here. The amount now at risk is $250. And if about the standard lot, so also me use 1.3 by this trade. So also measure analyze la phone phone mozbo type 1.3 la phone by market here, or divide the 1.3 into 3. Measure 0.5, which is one lot now, and then 0.3, which is 1.3. Market guy against me, I will only lose $250 of the account for that day, which means I still have extra 4% to even try again. Any question?
No, sir.
You got that very, very well, Abby.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I hope you wrote the thing down so that each of you allow probably the reaction. Okay, so going back to the chart. Going back to the chart, this is the chart, yeah. So going back to our learning timetable. So high and low of the week. Our class today we stop here. Messi and Kana. High and low of the what?
A week.
A week.
The week. So now this is a GVJPY. Okay, so I will come to the 4 hours time frame. You see it?
Yes, sir.
So I will write, this is my mouse now. I will right click on my mouse, right click, and it will bring up these options. I will click settings. Settings. It's coming up. I have click settings. Okay, this is it. So once I click settings, I will come on events. Here is events. I will now come on here called session breaks. Session breaks, and I'll toggle on session breaks, and then I will click OK. You see it? You see it? Hello?
Yes, sir. We are hearing you.
It's not only hearing me. Do you see what I'm showing you?
Yes.
So I've turned on session breaks. So high and low of the week. High and low of the week. High and low of the week. So now today is listen. Are you seeing these lines on my screen? Are you seeing these lines on
Yes,
my
sir.
screen? All these lines. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir. 3 lines. Yes, sir.
So each line there is 1 day. From this line to this point is 1 day. From here to here again is 1 day. Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now, so today is Thursday. So this space here is Wednesday. This is Tuesday, and this is Monday. So now, what is the highest candle? What is the highest candle? What is the highest level market has gotten since this week? So since this is Monday, since la ihe abụ Monday, and Monday, since Monday, nke a Friday, nke a Monday, since Monday ka week ya bidoro, and here highest candle maybe la week here, here highest price bela week ya, nwanne ntinye my mouse ebe ahụ, ka mee red color, ntinye mouse m ebe ahụ my brother, ntinye line ebe ahụ, then get the lowest since week here, ebe nke a Monday, nke a Tuesday, nke a Wednesday, nke a Thursday, ana m afụ la market mere lowest ya, ọ mere lowest ya la Tuesday ebe a, zoom ebe a ka ọ lowest la Tuesday. So ihe a na-abụ highest price dị a week ya, ihe a lowest ọ bịara week ya. Let's go and do another one. Ebe a Friday, nke a Friday, nke a Thursday, nke a bụ Wednesday, nke a bụ Tuesday, nke a bụ Monday. Ọ na-egosi ihe a niile the days ya ala ebe a iti igbe azụ ya ebe a gosi the day bụ ihe a, nke a Monday, nke a Tuesday, nke a Wednesday, nke a Thursday, nke a Friday. Now ebe nke a Monday la between week ya na nlafụna week ya nlafụna Monday ya bidoro from ebe a, Friday ya endi ebe a. Nwanne ole the lowest candle a week ya niile na afịa la Monday ya dị ihe ebe a. Get the highest price may go a week here. Get the highest point la week here, Lille. Highest ya on Wednesday. Yeah, the here. You laugh the thing.
So,
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, me another one. Me another one. Oh, me another one.
I don't afford the thing, but the question is that what is the meaning?
The meaning is good. Very good answer. The meaning is good is since la week here, nke a na-abụ last week dị ihe a na. My brother, price market megide megide cross above the high of last week. Ị maala market a gala aba akwala eje tụrụ ada week ahụ anọkwala ime ahụ tụrụ ada current week ahụ. The same way kwan ọ megide sell gide law sell ka ọnụ ọ cross above the low of last week. Nna m tụrụ that week ahụ nọzụla ime ya market a ga-sell tụrụ that week. That is just the meaning. Thank you for that question.
Thank you,
So
sir.
now in full nke a na last week and I can in the middle of last week. Market across over here or close over here below it, below the high or low. Yeah. I get my point.
Yes, sir. Because Kebis listen what that thing.
Right click here, right click here on the anywhere on the chart. You click just and then you click settings.
Okay. Okay, you click is here setting egal event. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello. So, good morning. I do. Now, that guy now come with call. Say, not time make that. Say, not time make that. Hello.